Could we even call Ken Carson's hair dreadlocks? One thing you'll notice about Ken Carson's locks is that they aren't like fully locked up and fully developed, which I've never seen Ken Carson's locks fully locked up. It's almost like he does a retwist and then he'll like comb it all out and then do another retwist. That's the way it looks. I'm not saying that's how it's happening, but that's the way it looks. But if we are looking at his locks from the beginning, just like right here, you can see that he's been keeping up maintenance with doing twisting with gel. And that's most likely how he started, with just twisting with gel. Now with this hair type, it's actually a perfect way to start out locks. But as you can see down by his roots, it's all just coils, and you can see some lock development down by the tips. But it's interesting with him having such a tight curl pattern and his hair not locking up with how long it is now. But one thing we can say about Ken Carson, I feel like he perfected that platinum blonde look when he did it. I feel like he's one of the first people to actually do the platinum blonde look. Now looking at his locks, they resemble a lot of XXX Tentacion, and it's just crazy to see how much of an effect that hairstyle has had in the dreadlock community. So many people have done the half black, half blonde, and now doing like half red, half blonde, half red, half black. There's like so many different variations of it. And XXX Tentacion made that very popular, and I think it became even more popular after he passed. But let's break down the entire process for Ken Carson. So number one, he has a 4A hair type. Number two, he started out with twisting with gel. Number three, he does his maintenance with twisting with gel as well. Number four, he does some hairstyles like 2-strand twists. And of course, he's dyed it frequently as well. So there's really not a whole lot you have to do in order to get locks just like Ken Carson. It's just following those 4 easy steps. And one thing you'll notice with looking at his hair, it doesn't look fully developed. So that means that he does a little bit of maintenance, but he's not completely focused on just making sure his hair is perfect all the time. And that's why his locks have so much hang, so much give, and they wave like that. Now here's the big problem with Ken Carson's locks right now. If you notice on the black side of his hair, it looks blue. And this is for everyone out there who wants to dye their hair or bleach their hair and then try to return the color back. Just keep in mind, if you bleach your hair and you try to return the color back, sometimes if you dye it black, it'll turn green, it'll turn blue, and it'll just turn different colors when you try to dye it back to its original color. So it's really not a huge problem, but keep that in mind. Think of it as something being permanently dyed, and that the moment you bleach your hair, it's not gonna return exactly the way that it was before. And say you had dark brown hair and then you bleached it and now it's blonde. You can really dye it all these other colors, but it's gonna be tough to return it back to its normal color and keep it that way and keep it maintained. Keep this in mind that bleaching the hair is permanent, but dyeing the hair is semi-permanent, so it'll only stay in for a little bit. So if you want dreadlocks like Ken Carson, just follow the steps that I told you in today's video, and just keep in mind that thing I said about bleaching your hair. It's true, and it is permanent, and if you try to dye it, it's gonna be semi-permanent.
Hey, do you want locks? Then let me tell you about these awesome new locking products I've started using. They're all on Greatlocs.com. Greatlocs is a lock care company that goes beyond the roots by making locking up hair easy for anyone. I was overwhelmed by the way lock products were developed in this industry, so I have one simple goal: get rid of the fluff and take the difficulties out of lock care by creating products that do what they say and being a company that says what they do. Always honest, always great, always innovative, only on Greatlocs.com.